Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Venmo card. So for this video, I'm not going to show you an inside app tutorial. So if you're looking for that, I apologize. So how to activate your Venmo card? Basically, to activate your Venmo card, of course, if you mean like a virtual card, once you create your account, you already like get a virtual card that's very easy to use, and you can always create a new virtual card. But of course, the last virtual card will be disabled. And of course, if you want to order a physical card, you'll be able to do so. So if you want to order a physical card, I've already made a video about this if you want to check it out. And if you want to activate your Venmo card, simply let's follow first of all the process or the article of Venmo before we go to any other article. So all you need to do is just simply go to the cards tab. You will find us here, as you can see, on the list of pay and requests. Click on that and then select the Venmo debit cards section. Click on Activate. Enter the CVV listed on the card and create a PIN for your card or the PIN that you've already set one up. Once you see the green notification indicator, your card is ready to use and activated. Very simple, right? So probably this guide will be the same. Yeah, so go to Venmo app, go to Venmo card, click on Activate. So yeah, it's basically the same stuff. And yeah, that's how you activate a Venmo card. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.